Check.
"29, about to turn 30. Losing hope, but it still feels dirty. I'm starting to feel a little trepidation. Got a job, got a pretty fine life. Got a wife, but it's filled with strife. Say, can you see my constellation? Sometimes when I hear my friends talking, money and the squeak is squawking, make sure I recognize my privilege. I'm just trying to do all I can, save the world and be a better man. Say, can you see through my vocalization? Oh, I'm having trouble just holding on. I begin to see what I've been wrong. I'm trying to break free. Oh, I'm having trouble just holding on. Oh, give me a reason where I went wrong, so you can show me where I went wrong. 'Cause I'm trying to break free. 29, about to turn 30. Losing hope, but it still feels dirty. I'm starting to feel a little trepidation.